Hello students, welcome to Abhyas Law Prep. We have a good news today. Vacant seat notification for NLU Kochi has come out, and Abhyas Law Prep has made few videos on the vacancies that have been released for different NLUs of CLAT 2025 that have participated in the consortium. So we'll be looking at how do we fill the form and where is it available, where the list of all the universities that have released vacant seat notification is available. For that, you need to go to the Chrome or any browser for that matter and search for NLU Vacant Seats 2025. And then the first link that you'll get is NLU Vacant Seats 2025 of Abhyas Law Prep. So you just have to scroll down and you'll find all the vacant seat notifications of the universities that have been released. Nalsar, we made a video on that as well. And now let's look at this is a 10th number, that is of NUALS Kochi. We have to click here for that notification. And as we can see here, the number of vacant seats has not been mentioned. So everyone who has given CLAT 2025, all the students who have cleared CLAT, they are eligible to apply with any rank for that matter. And the deadline for the same is as given 3 PM on 2nd of July. Now let's look at the Google form, the application link. This link is also available on the Abhyas Law Prep website, and you just need to click on either this link or the link that was available in the notification. So for that matter, you have to fill all the details, your email, your name as per your CLAT application form 2025, and your address, mobile number, email ID, and then your age, your date of birth, your gender, and your religion, and your community. And coming to community, make sure that you choose the community that the general, SC, ST, EWS. You have to write your community down. So for that, you have to ensure that it aligns with the CLAT 2025 classification. And then you have to enter your CLAT 2025 admit card number. And CLAT 2025 score is not mandatory. As we can see, there's no star link. And then you have to also enter your All India rank in CLAT 2025. And then you have to fill all the details, as in which category do you come under. So that was community, and now this is category of the NLU Kochi. So here all the OBCs and other backward classes in other states, they come under the same All India General Merit category. So ensure that you choose one of the right category that fits you. And also this is the only notification for vacant seats that will be released by NLU Kochi. So if you want to apply for any other category further, you must have had filled this form. So make sure that you choose the right community and fill the form. And also there is no application fee for this. So anyone who scored CLAT can fill this form. So for further notifications and updates, please subscribe to Abhyas Law Prep and ensure that you leave a comment for any questions if you have. Our team will reply back as soon as possible. Stay tuned. All the best for your further NLU journey in case you get into a good NLU.